Hello everybody. Here is we have such a tool, a key. I'll be opening Guardian Quattro lock now, but I'll tell you right away that this tool is for emergency situations when the key in such locks is inserted from inside the apartment. That is, if the key is inserted from the inside the apartment, then the lock can be opened, and very quickly. And this tool is especially for such situations. It's double-ended, it has different diameters, and it works not only for the Guardian Quattro, but also for locks that have the exact same internal sleeve, like Ezcurra. I just don't have one on hand to show you, but the principle is exactly the same. The same internal sleeve. It's Ezcurra, a level lock, and Fiam F40, I think, also have the same sleeve. Any other locks, if they have the same sleeve, will most likely open the same way. I'd say 3 types have been tested: Guardian Quattro, Ezcurra, and Fiam. These 3 have definitely been tested. The others will need to be tested. If the diameter matches, and most likely one or the other will, then you can open it the same way. Here we have the lock. This is armor, a hardened lock plate. This is the front side. That is, this is the one on the outside. This one faces, or at least should face, into the apartment if it's installed correctly. We have 2 turnovers here. So let's try it and insert the key. Here our key is on the inside of the apartment, and the apartment is locked. This one has a smaller diameter, this one is larger. Insert it carefully, because if you are not careful, you can push it out. Accidentally push the key in there, so insert it carefully. Well, I think the principle is clear. The same thing works for Ezcurra, the Spanish one, and the Fiam, same thing. If the key is on the inside, we insert it and turn it using the same principle. The price of this tool you can find on our website. The link is under this video. Bye.